Welcome to our comprehensive overview of pharmaceutical companies. You know, when we think about health, about feeling better when we're sick, we often think about the medications we take. But have you ever stopped to think about the intricate system behind those pills, injections, those life-saving therapies? Today we'll journey into the world of pharmaceutical companies, those entities responsible for discovering, developing, and delivering the medications we often take for granted. We'll unravel their fascinating history, tracing the origins of pharmaceutical manufacturing from ancient civilizations to the modern-day giants we know today. This journey will take us through the evolution of drug discovery, from traditional remedies to the cutting-edge science happening in labs right now. We'll learn about the different types of pharmaceutical companies, each playing a critical role in the vast network of healthcare. And because this world is constantly evolving, we'll delve into the challenges these companies face, the mounting pressures, the complex regulations, and the ever-rising costs. But within those challenges lie opportunities for innovation, for a healthier future. We'll explore the exciting possibilities that lie ahead, the breakthroughs waiting to transform medicine as we know it. Today we'll explore their history, types, development process, challenges, and future. The story of pharmaceutical companies is intricately woven into the very fabric of human history. Long before the days of sterile labs and sophisticated equipment, our ancestors sought solace from ailments in the natural world. Think back to ancient civilizations, the Egyptians, the Greeks, the Chinese. They relied on herbal remedies, tinctures, and practices passed down through generations. These ancient healers, with their meticulous observations and deep understanding of plants and minerals, laid the foundation for what we now know as pharmacology. The image of an apothecary, meticulously grinding herbs in a mortar and pestle, might seem a world away from a modern pharmaceutical plant, but it represents the very essence of the profession, a relentless pursuit of healing. Fast forward centuries, and the Industrial Revolution brought about a seismic shift. The 19th century witnessed the birth of standardized manufacturing processes, paving the way for mass production of medications. Companies like Merck, founded in 1668, and GlaxoSmithKline, with roots stretching back to the 18th century, emerged as pioneers in this new era of medicine. The discovery of penicillin in 1928 marked a turning point, ushering in the era of antibiotics and revolutionizing the fight against infectious diseases. This breakthrough ignited a scientific firestorm, propelling the industry into an unprecedented age of discovery and innovation. Vaccines, insulin, and countless other life-saving medications followed, fundamentally changing the trajectory of human health. But the story doesn't end there. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed the rise of biotechnology, opening up exciting new frontiers in genetic engineering and personalized medicine. This groundbreaking field, fueled by an intricate understanding of our DNA, holds the promise of therapies tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. Today, the pharmaceutical industry stands as a testament to human ingenuity, a complex ecosystem of researchers, scientists, and healthcare professionals working tirelessly to address some of the world's most pressing health challenges. The world of pharmaceuticals is vast and varied, encompassing a spectrum of companies, each with its unique focus and contribution. Let's break down this complex landscape into its key players. First, we have the giants, the research-based pharmaceutical companies. These powerhouses invest heavily in research and development, pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge to discover and develop novel drugs. Think Pfizer, Novartis, Johnson & Johnson. These companies are responsible for bringing us groundbreaking treatments for cancer, HIV, and countless other diseases. Next, we have generic pharmaceutical companies. These companies enter the scene once a brand-name drug loses its patent protection. They focus on producing and marketing bioequivalent versions of these drugs at more affordable prices, making essential medications accessible to a wider population. Now let's talk about biotechnology companies. These innovators are at the forefront of cutting-edge research, harnessing the power of living organisms to develop novel therapies. They're exploring gene therapies, stem cell treatments, and other revolutionary approaches with the potential to cure diseases once thought incurable. And we can't forget about contract research organizations, or CROs. These companies play a crucial supporting role, providing research services to pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies. From conducting clinical trials to analyzing data, CROs help streamline the drug development process. Each type of pharmaceutical company, with its specific expertise, plays a critical role in the intricate web of drug discovery, development, and delivery. Understanding their unique contributions allows us to appreciate the complexity and interconnectedness of this vital industry. Developing a new drug is a monumental undertaking, spanning over a decade and costing billions. It's a meticulous process driven by the pursuit of improving human health. The journey begins with research, delving into disease mechanisms. Scientists explore potential drug targets and conduct experiments. They seek to unravel disease complexities at a molecular level. Promising candidates undergo preclinical testing. This involves rigorous lab and animal studies. Researchers evaluate effects on cells and tissues. If successful, the drug moves into clinical trials. These trials involve human volunteers in 3 phases. Phase 1 tests safety in healthy volunteers. Phase 2 evaluates effectiveness in patients. Phase 3 involves thousands of patients. Successful trials lead to regulatory approval. Agencies like the FDA review the data. Approved drugs reach patients in need. The journey continues with post-market monitoring. Companies track long-term effects to improve outcomes. The pharmaceutical industry, while responsible for life-saving advancements, isn't without its share of challenges. From skyrocketing research and development costs to increasing regulatory scrutiny, these companies face a myriad of hurdles in their quest to develop and deliver life-saving medications. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer cost of bringing a new drug to market. Research and development are incredibly expensive, often exceeding billions of dollars per drug. The failure rate is high, and only a small fraction of drugs that enter clinical trials ever make it to patients. Then there's the ever-evolving regulatory landscape. Pharmaceutical companies operate under intense scrutiny from regulatory agencies worldwide. These agencies play a crucial role in ensuring drug safety and efficacy, but the approval process can be lengthy and complex, adding significant time and cost to drug development. Another challenge stems from increasing competition, both from within the industry and from new entrants. The rise of generic drugs, while making medications more affordable, also puts pressure on brand-name companies to innovate and stay ahead of the curve. And let's not forget the public perception of the pharmaceutical industry, which has been tarnished by concerns over drug pricing, marketing practices, and the opioid epidemic. Building trust and transparency is crucial for the industry to regain public confidence and ensure continued support for its mission. Despite these challenges, the pharmaceutical industry remains committed to its core mission of improving human health. By embracing innovation, collaborating with stakeholders, and prioritizing patient needs, these companies can navigate these headwinds and continue to deliver life-saving therapies to those who need them most. The world of pharmaceuticals is in a constant state of evolution, driven by scientific breakthroughs, technological advancements, and a growing understanding of human health. As we look to the future, several key trends are poised to reshape the industry and revolutionize how we approach healthcare. One of the most exciting frontiers is personalized medicine, an approach that tailors treatments to an individual's unique genetic makeup. By analyzing a patient's DNA, doctors can predict their risk of certain diseases, diagnose conditions earlier, and select the most effective treatments with fewer side effects. Biotechnology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, opening up new possibilities for treating and even curing diseases once thought incurable. Gene therapy, for example, holds the promise of correcting faulty genes at their source, potentially offering cures for genetic diseases. Collaboration is becoming increasingly important in the pharmaceutical industry. Companies are partnering with academic institutions, research organizations, and even their competitors to share resources, expertise, and data. This collaborative approach is accelerating drug discovery and development, bringing innovative therapies to patients faster. Patient engagement is also taking center stage. Pharmaceutical companies are recognizing the importance of incorporating the patient's voice throughout the drug development process. By involving patients in clinical trials, seeking their feedback on drug design, and providing them with accessible information, companies can develop more patient-centric therapies that better meet their needs. The future of the pharmaceutical industry is bright, fueled by a relentless pursuit of innovation and a deep commitment to improving human health. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in medicine, one thing remains clear. The quest to prevent, treat, and cure diseases will continue to drive this dynamic industry forward. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of pharmaceutical companies. From their humble beginnings in ancient apothecaries to the cutting-edge labs of today, these companies have played a pivotal role in advancing human health and extending lifespans. While challenges remain, the future holds immense promise. Personalized medicine, biotechnology, and a growing emphasis on collaboration and patient engagement are poised to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. As we move forward, it's crucial to foster a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the advancements and the challenges inherent in this complex and vital industry. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of healthcare and medicine. Together, let's continue to explore the frontiers of scientific discovery and strive for a healthier future for all.